TUMI Women's Halsey Backpack Review, the secret every corporate girl hides. Ever opened your bag in a meeting and everything avalanched out like a bad magic trick? I did last month, mid-presentation, lipstick rolling under the CEO's chair. That hot flash of pure embarrassment. Type same if your bag has ever betrayed you at the worst possible moment. What's your most cringe bag disaster? That sinking dread when you know your stuff is in there, somewhere. Digging through chaos while everyone waits, shoulders burning from the weight, quietly swearing you'll organize it tomorrow. You're one spilled coffee away from a meltdown. Keep watching, because I found the bag that finally fights back without turning you into a bag lady. Then the TUMI Women's Halsey backpack in black or gunmetal showed up and my life got stupidly calm. Ballistic nylon that laughs at rain and scuffs, leather trim that makes strangers ask, "Where'd you get that?" Padded 15-inch laptop sleeve with its own exterior zipper so you never dump everything out again. Quick access front pocket that actually fits your phone plus passport plus AirPods without fighting. 2 side pockets that swallow 1-liter bottles. Add a bag sleeve that turns it into a roller bag ninja. And that perfect 20 liters size that looks professional but carries your entire life. Sarah, a consultant who flies 200 days a year, was sprinting through Heathrow, laptop sliding out of her old bag, swapped to the Halsey mid-trip, made her connection, and landed the client because she wasn't sweating bullets. That's the kind of quiet superpower this bag gives you every single day. Suddenly your mornings are 10 minutes faster because everything has a home. No more digging for keys while the Uber meter runs. No more neck pain from cheap straps. Just grab and go looking like you have your life together, even when you don't. One travel editor said it's the only bag that survived Fashion Week, 3 continents, and my toddler without a scratch. A corporate attorney told me she gets stopped weekly by other women asking where it's from. It's the perfect size that doesn't scream backpack, but carries more than my Longchamp. Over 4,000 buyers keep it at 4.9 stars because it simply refuses to die. People whine, yeah, but TUMI is pricey, until they calculate how much they've spent replacing cheap bags every year and realize this one pays for itself in peace alone. See why women who swore they'd never carry a backpack now won't leave home without it? Tell me in the comments which chaos you want gone first: laptop avalanche, water bottle hunt, or looking like a student at 35. Thousands of women who used to apologize for their bag now walk in like they own the room. The TUMI Women's Halsey backpack in black/gunmetal is that ridiculous daily upgrade you didn't know you were missing. Join the ones who finally feel put together instead of perpetually late. I dropped my affiliate link in the description and pinned comment. Click only if you're ready to retire the chaos and never look back. Your calmer tomorrow starts right now. Go make it happen.